Hey, hope you're well. Please like, subscribe, ding the bell, and choose all notifications. When I got my gaming PC last year, I got Adobe. I started making videos in Adobe and it kept crashing, and the end result of that was that although I filmed it, I never actually made an unboxing video about my gaming PC. I might have made it like a year later, but I can't remember, because I know I was sat on the footage for ages. But anyway, I've just got a laptop for the journey to Japan, so that I can edit videos when we're in Japan. Let's get this in focus. And then zooms in. Something like that. There. So it's a HP laptop. It's a 7th generation i5 128 gig solid state drive. Yes, it's got 8 gigabytes of RAM, DDR4, Windows 10. Okay, that'll do for the intro. Let's get this thing open. Right, this is the right way up. Setup instructions. Plug it in, switch it on. Yeah. Yeah, that is basically what it says. Plug it in, switch it on, and then connect to the network. Wow, this is going to be there we go. It's nice. It looks really nice on the outside. It's a silver Hewlett-Packard. It's a silver Hewlett-Packard laptop. So let's have a little look in here. Nice. Wow. That is so cool. It's quite small and light, and that was one of the things I was looking for. Occasionally I was tempted to spend a lot more. Oh my god, my battery's going. I was tempted to spend a lot more and get an i7 because I'm editing videos on it, but we'll see how this one goes. I didn't want to spend too much because really I don't think I'm going to use the laptop much, because I just love having my gaming PC on my desk. Right, I'm going to have to go change the battery. Thanks a lot, bye. So it's taken about 2 or 3 hours to get to this point. Nothing too difficult, but there was about a 5 or 10 minute bit where the laptop was talking to me, and Cortana was like prompting me to go through lots of information, and then I had the usual thing where they've installed McAfee on here, and I had a bad experience with McAfee years ago. Does anyone remember when basically there was a bug in McAfee that bricked a load of laptops? My work laptop was dead for so long, and it started to look like we weren't going to be able to get them back. Eventually we did, and it was all because of McAfee. So when I see McAfee on my laptop, I'm like, uninstall. And I have Norton we've got 3 Norton logins, so Marie's got it on her laptop, I've got it on my PC, and I've now got it on this laptop. Lightworks, when you buy a pro license you get 2, so this is my video editor, that's installed. So I've basically, apart from GNU, the photo editing software, I've kind of got everything that I wanted. That's it. It would have been really easy not to do this. There was a big part of me that didn't want to shell out the money to buy a laptop when we're going to Japan. But I've never taken a laptop travelling with me before, and it's going to be so useful to be able to take SLR photos and get them onto Instagram, and hopefully to edit videos as well. So yeah, just a really quick update. We're going to Japan, and probably the next upload will be from there.